What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope you're doing well. Just focusing the camera. Hello. We're gonna go over BTC. Currently sitting at 27.2k, down about 3.4 on the day. See, market cap about 526 billion. 24-hour volume 20 billion. So it's continuing to follow our wave count. As we can see, we started to break down. There's a couple possibilities. This could honestly still be a 1-2 and you're going through the 3, and all you're looking at is the subwaves. So you came down in a subwave 1, and then that's your wave 2, and then 3, 4, 5. The targets are very similar, so it doesn't matter too much. These micro counts can be inaccurate, but if we are looking at this here as the 2, then we're looking to come down in the 3, and basically what you've done is you've come down swiftly in a 1 with that mini dump we saw yesterday, pull back in a 2, and then you'd be looking to come down in 3, 4, 5, and that would take you down to about 24.7k. If you want the microwave 3 trend-based extension from the top of 1 to bottom to the top of 2, wave 3 target about 25.6k, the 1.618 extension, minimum target 26.5. All right, gang, so that's what I'm looking at. We're likely going to break that head and shoulders very soon, and the technical target's all the way down to 23.7, but we definitely could bounce from 25k, retest 25k before seeing that continuation up in that large wave 2. DXY is starting to make its move, as we've been calling on the channel for I think a couple weeks now. We're looking for the DXY to see that breakout, and it looks like it may be coming soon. And as I mentioned yesterday, that's when you'll see BTC start to make its way down to 25k. We've been in a short since 29.2k. Since right here, we've been in a short trade, and so far it's going great. My take profits are right around 25k, 24k. And I gave a signal for that in the Discord, so it's continuing to follow our analysis, which we love to see. Woohoo! Yeah! Hooray! All right, so if you sign up to either Bitget or Bybit, that was really cringe. Up to 8k in bonuses on Bitget, up to 30,000 on Bybit. Do the majority of my trading here on Bitget. If you make your first deposit, you get a 30-day free trial to my signals analysis, which I update regularly. Crypto news, members post their profits in here. Mahalo alt plays. If you want direct access, it's only $10 a month. You can sign up to the Patreon, but as I mentioned, you make your first deposit, you get a free trial, 30 days, and also over 2,000 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. You can have completely free access to that. All you have to do is sign up to one of the exchanges. As I mentioned, email me or sign up email, no strings attached. Smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm, goes a long way. Subscribe to the channel if you'd like to. I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.